this morning to the airport. So I passed through the city this morning. It's a gloomy day today, Thanksgiving. You know, let's see the city skyline right there. So city of Atlanta with it. So we're gonna make a drive through, you know. We'll make a drop off at the airport. Go and stay tuned and see what I want. Alright guys, so even when it's cloudy and gloomy, the city still look alive, you know. I drive through here so several times, so I'm not gonna tell you know what is what anymore, you know, like the varsity and tallest building and all them things. I'm not gonna go through that because I drive through here so several times in the videos like before. But this is how the city of Atlanta look like, downtown Atlanta, with no traffic on a Thanksgiving morning. This is how it look like pretty much. But yeah, traffic, light traffic, almost no traffic. Alright, we drop off. This is how the airport drop off look like, ATL airport. You got the terminals over there, not the terminals, the arrival and departure over there. Where I leave out at the terminal, not terminal. Yeah guys, so make a quick airport run. It's not a Uber run, it's pretty much I'm a virgin, me a drop off. I'm gonna go back down, so drop him off real quick. I'm gonna go head back home. Well, I'm gonna head back to the salon. Yeah, head back to the salon. So not a lot of traffic on the road today guys. It's I'm gonna flip it around. Where I leave the Atlanta International Airport. Yeah, so it's not a lot of traffic on the road today. It's Thanksgiving Day here in America. So everybody got to their destination already. Reach home, reach at them family, or leave town already and reach where them a go. So today them would have just stay home and chill and cook food, and that's what them do over here for them Thanksgiving, you know. So yeah, me there on the road, me go head over to the salon. My cameras at the salon guys, it's not working. We had some work done yesterday on the internet router, right? The box, that modem that the internet people put in. So we've been having issues with it where sometimes it slow up or it spin, or you know what I'm saying. So Xfinity said that this box not should solve the problem, but this box has more coverage, faster speeds, whatever. So them say box look the same to me. As a matter of fact, the box, that router, that modem, it doesn't have what them call a PoE plug on it. So one of the device them wasn't powering up, so we had to put a power plug on that device in order for it to work. It's like a Wi-Fi extender. So anyway, people who know me at all would I know, but the average person probably don't know me at all. But anyhow, put it in. But then now when we reach home yesterday now and go on the cameras, we realize the camera not working. We can't log in and check our cameras. So there's something wrong. Maybe he didn't plug the camera in. The cameras are on, right? But it's probably not plugged in to the router. He probably left that plug out. So I'm gonna head over there now and make sure that plug is plugged in and see if we can log in with my phone and get some images. Right now we have no images, so it's like we're blind when it comes to the cameras. Yeah. But them people are race up an idea, man. Them late, so they might try to reach. They might try to reach for them Thanksgiving dinner, you know. Yo, Mega Million there in America, Mega Million lot of the 514 million guys. Go grab a ticket, you never know. Yeah. So yeah, I head back to the salon now, and then I'll probably stop over by the Peppers project, make sure everything is good over there. The plumbers, they're working on they are working on their end of it. They have a lot done inside there already. So once we get the inspection scheduled and they come out, then we'll be able to cover the floors and start to put up walls. So tomorrow, starting tomorrow, I'm gonna try just go buy all the studs to do the framing. I'm gonna get all the studs and everything. Look guys, this person spun out. I don't know if you can see it. They spun out and hit the guardrail. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do tomorrow now, I'm gonna get the I will pick up the studs in order to do the frame, the metal framing. I'll pick up all of that tomorrow and get possibly the FRP sheets to put on the walls. Reason why I get the FRP or maybe 2 sheets. Those FRP, they're going to go on the back wall where the water heater is going to be mounted. So because it's the water heater is going to be mounted next, we have to put up that FRP first and then put the water heater on top of that. So I'm going to probably just install a sheet or 2 right where the water heater is going to go, so the plumber could proceed with putting up that part of it. So yeah, so I'll get a couple of stuff tomorrow. I know we never pick up the frame them for the doors yet, but the frame, that place might be closed for the holidays. So Thanksgiving here is on a Thursday, and normally people just take the rest of the week. So tomorrow is Friday, they might be just closed. They might be closed down there for the door frame. So if anything, I'll get that on Monday for the door frames. Yeah. So yeah guys, Pepper's project will come along. We already get we get every single permit we need now. We have all the permits in order to do the job. It's just a few, they need just like 2 more information. So the electrical contractor has to give me their license, and they have to give me their license and business information and license and the ID. We have to fill out a form and turn it into the city. So that's the only thing left. It's not a permit or anything. It's just for them to give me the information and we turn it into the city. We already got the permit to do everything. So with that being said, I'll get with the contractor tomorrow and get their information, fill the form out, and then turn it in. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me see. Yeah, it's a holiday today. As you can tell, it's normally on today's a Thursday. This road right here would have been standstill traffic at this time in the morning. It's 8:30 now. So at this time in the morning, going into the city, it would be like standstill, guys. Like literally, I wouldn't be driving like this. I would be just stop and go traffic right here, coming from the airport this time in the morning. So everybody that works in the city, they would be going to work now, right? So as you can tell, I'm coming up to the city. Let me flip you around. So as you can tell, there's a city line right there, Atlanta City, downtown Atlanta. Guys, them who knows the signs, see? So right here, guys, who live in Atlanta or pass through Atlanta or know the city of Atlanta, this is what, you know what I'm saying, it looks like on a Sunday morning or a holiday, so this is where, see that the whole Turner Field right here. Or is it, they changed the name now? I think it's closed or something. But yeah guys, so as you can tell, there's literally no traffic going into the city this time of morning on a holiday. Sunday morning is somewhat similar like this too, but on a Saturday, Monday to Friday or Saturdays, some Sundays is crazy like this too, depends. they have events and so it might get crazy. So see, we actually just passing through now, going into the city. As I said, I show you guys this many a times. I passed through this city, you know, I live here, so we passed through here many a times in previous videos. But just in case you guys never watched the previous videos, we passing through it again. So we giving a little tour of the city. So this is, you know, entering into the city. They have a run up there, everybody up on the bridge, if you can see them. They're having some kind of marathon walk. You got the Grady Hospital, so that's the public hospital right here on the left. Grady, for who knows. You got Georgia Pacific over there. You have the Truist building over there. You have the Westin over there, Marriott Marquis over there, Georgia Power building. You have the Bank of America. That's that building right here with the point. That building is the tallest building here in the city, the one with the point. It's the Bank of America building. So that building right there is the supposedly the tallest building. You have Georgia Power building right there. Yeah, this is the famous Spring Street exit coming up. You know, and then we have Peachtree, you know, Peachtree Street and Spring Street. Emory University and Hospital down here. You have Georgia Tech down here. You know, you have the Varsity. It's like a hot dog spot. It's been around for probably, I don't know if they reach 100 years. I think they said 100 years or 50 years, something like that. We're passing under the Marta train station a while ago. Over here is on these left, these are the dorms for Georgia Tech. These brown buildings, that's Georgia Tech. So that's the dorms over there. Over here we have NCR and a bunch of other buildings over on this side. So yeah, guys, this is the city pretty much. Passing through the city is it's not a long drive. It's probably like maybe 2 minutes driving like this without traffic. You'll pass through the city within, I would say, less than 5 minutes. 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and you're all the way through. A bunch of new buildings up there. Yeah. Coming up here on the left, you have up here on the left you have Atlantic Station. You know, Atlantic Station on the left is a nice little area where you could go hang out. They have a lot of things to do over there. It's like a little park in the middle of the buildings over here to the left. They have, you know, bars. Like winter time, they have a little ice skating space. You could go ice skating over on this side. They have shopping over there. They have restaurants. You know, everything is over there in the middle of that building right here. Nice open, I guess, green space them call it. So this is pretty much the end of the city, the high rises and stuff. Once we pass Atlantic Station, that's it. You know, so that's it for our city, guys. It's not very big, you know, and it's not very big from left to right either. Going this way, it's not, you know, it's not very big. It takes a while to go through it when you have traffic, but with no traffic, maybe 2 minutes from where we enter to 2 minutes, you know, to the time we come up, you know, in both directions. If we were going that way to that way too, it's the same thing. It's not very wide either. I'm talking downtown where the high rises are. Now the city down Atlanta is you know, kind of big, but as far as where the high rise sections are, it's just a couple blocks this way and a couple blocks that behind us. It's not much. Yeah, so, and then you have the city of Buckhead over, hold on. but you have a couple more high rises over there. You know, you'll see the top of the buildings over there. See guys, the lotto, if you can see it, 514 and Powerball 214. That's bulkhead right there over there on that side. There, the wall came up. Yeah, man. So, there I'm just like, on a little drive from the airport. It's been 15 minutes already. A little drive tour. Going to, I had some clips going to the airport, and then I give you some clips coming from the airport. When we pass through the city. I head up to the salon hoping I do. So yeah, stay tuned. We'll go knock out some work, clean up the salon real quick. I don't think it's dirty because not much. Well, we had people there yesterday, but I was there yesterday and it was clean. So I'm just gonna fresh it up today, this morning, clean it up, check on the cameras, and then, you know, do some editing today. I have a lot of footages, guys. I've been posting every day as how I should. I have a bunch of things pertaining to the county and the city I was doing last week, so I never get time. I took videos, I got footages of everything for, you know, but I just didn't get the chance to edit them, you know. And when I'm a bridging the day in town, we work on the van, we get the van together, the expediting van. So that's finished now, so I can go back to my regular editing and dropping videos every day. When I'm there working on the van all day, kind of hard to finish doing that and then go edit videos at the end of the night, you know. So we took like 3 days and knock it out, got it done, and I move on. I have some footages of me working on the van as well, so I will just go through those footages and get some video edited and upload it. So I think I'm gonna take the rest of the day and take care of that. So go on, stay tuned, guys. We're gonna head up to the salon and get that done. Alright, stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're here at the salon. It's pretty much cleaned. I already cleaned the bathrooms, cleaned the hallways, vacuumed the front mat, rear mat. This mat right here, I have more mats at the house. I'm gonna bring some more mat. This one is dirty, and the reason why I got this dirty is because the restaurant next door, they had a spill. So when they had the spill, they had an oil spill. So that oil spill pretty much brought the mess in. They stepped in it, it got messy, then, you know, messed up the mat. So I'm going to bring the hose down. I got with the manager over there next door, but the manager, he's not here today, obviously. So we're gonna figure out what's going on and get that cleaned up. I'm pretty cool with them, so I'm just gonna get with them now. They have a power wash over there, and maybe I'll just borrow it. They're not here today. Today would have been a perfect day because they're not open, so there's no traffic back there, so we could have cleaned it today, but they're not open. So I'm probably just gonna bring my my power wash and you know, spray it down, or I'll just bring the hose and wash it up. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm done with the salon. I'm gonna head to the house real quick, get some stuff, and come back and wash this off later on today. So stay tuned, guys.